What's going on, guys? Tater with the raceshop.com. Getting ready to do a test drive video on this very nice 1932 Ford Roadster. What's going on, guys? Tater with the raceshop.com. Getting ready to do a test drive video on this very nice 1932 Ford Roadster. Everything on this car, top to bottom, inside and out, it's all custom. Runs and drives great. Custom paint, all the chassis underneath of it's all redone, painted nice. This is a good car. The gentleman passed away. This was his pride and joy, and the wife is wanting to sell it. So we're going to do a drive video. I'm going to do a startup for you. Fires right up. Tach works good. Oil pressure's at about 60. Volts are charging. It's got a quarter tank of gas in it. So let's take it for a little cruise. It's peppy. I'm 6'3", as you all know, 6'3", 280 pounds, or maybe 85 after this weekend. And it's about 120 degrees here in Missouri, so I'm trying to get the drive videos in early. I apologize for a little bit of the shaking. Apparently our camera equipment got used heavily over the weekend, and everything's loose, but I got to tighten up as much as possible. Oh yeah. Take it down the road here, make sure she shifts. It's got good brakes. This little neighborhood up here. Like I say, this thing has custom everything, custom paint. The frame's all matching under custom paint. Motor's been all redone. Got a stack of paperwork this tall on it. Like I say, when I get done with this drive video, I will do a walk around video with it. It does not have power steering, but it steers just fine. Again, apologize for all the looseness on the cameras. Everything is tight. They put her through hell all the time. Goes in gear good. I'm the first one to tell you, I hate technology with a passion. Pain in the ass. But I like driving hot rods. That's a damn sure. Got a stack of paperwork really tall on this thing, so we'll put as much information online as possible. We have underneath pics of it, and we'll have a walk around video. Like I say, everything's working, the volts are working good, the oil pressure's great, even at idle it's at about 50. The speedometer works. This is a very nice car. I like it. I'm 6'3", 285 pounds, and I'm fitting it just fine. I don't want to lose my nice jigs now. I don't think I'll lose it. Like I say, man, come check us out, raceshop.com. Right here in right across from the truck stop at 54 Junction, 167 Hayes Drive. If you want to talk to me about this bad boy rig, just give me a call at 573-693-7223 and ask for Tater, or Rhea, or Courtney, or Corey. Somebody will get a hold of you. Mainly will be talking to me, but you never know. I'm pretty busy. around this place lately for sure. Alright guys, I'm pulling back in. Next thing you're gonna see is the walk around video. Alright guys, this is the walk around on the 1932 Ford Roadster. I just drove it. It drives great. Very nice build. Very nice. Got a little lever right here you pull down. Side's nice. Very beautiful metallic bronze.